Well, I think the number of disruptive trends that are experienced in the industry, one clearly is the amount of digital and fintech disruption that's happening, and banks having to respond to various non-banks who are intruding into parts of the value chain and clearly differentiating on customer experience. So that's kind of one big container of what's happening. Second, I think in terms of regulations, regulators are getting much more involved in terms of how banks are actually going about doing their business, trying to create an environment where fintechs and traditional banks can coexist. So quite a lot of changes in that space with regards to collaboration and competition in some respect. And then frankly, probably the third area is around risk management. And a large part of that is due to the need, because of the digital environment, having to deal with cyber threats that are increasingly quite prevalent in the industry these days. So would be kind of the three areas, I think. I think one thing's for sure, they will look very different to what it's like today. I think for one, the workforce will definitely change. I think the nature of how the business will get delivered and to customers and how transactions will be done will be very different. For sure, there will be increasing use of technologies, whether that's in robotics or in blockchain or various other chatbots and everything else. But I think it should be very exciting. It should be very exciting in terms of the way that the customer experience will be enhanced, the types of products and services that could be delivered will be quite different. And I think generally in this part of the world, in ASEAN as well, it's really very useful because we should see the level of financial inclusion go up as a consequence of digital disruption. I think it's already changing. So I think corporate culture, there's probably 2 points here. One, that there's more of a need for an organization to come together and work through what is required to deliver a solid and compelling value proposition for their customers. So breaking down internal corporate silos, getting business, technology, compliance to work together, interacting and understanding exactly what the customer needs to delight the customer, working well with the regulators, engaging with them. So that requires a very whole or firm approach from a cultural standpoint. I think second is just in terms of digital. We feel that it needs to be delivered right from the top. The whole organization has to sing a digital voice, whatever that happens to be. And so there's also going to be big changes in terms of culture with regards of greater accountability from a delivery of products and services, but also bigger entrepreneurship and risk-taking to be able to deliver some of the more compelling digital value propositions in the market.